Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So 2019 is coming to an end and we're heading into 2020. And if you are a YouTube content creator, then you already know changes are coming. And so today I'm going to be going over my top 3 YouTube changes in 2020. And these are predictions that I make pretty much every single year. And so the first thing that I predict is going to happen is you're going to have to create more content. I think this is something that everybody has seen over the years, because those days of having just a few videos a week or a month and then it going viral, it's really rare. And because there's so many new people coming onto YouTube as creators every single day all around the world, you're going to have to create more content just to even remain competitive or even be seen. And so that's not something that's going to end, and if anything, it's going to increase even more as the years go by. And so the second thing is you're going to have to niche down even more. Now, I myself have a variety channel, but even I have had to really niche down further, because that's something that YouTube pretty much has always wanted you to do. And now with 2020 beyond, you're going to have to do that even more, because the algorithms don't really like channels that don't focus on a main thing, and so that's very important, and it's going to become even more important in the future if you are just starting out on YouTube. Now, if you are already an established creator, then you already have an audience and you can have a lot more variety. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so the final thing is, with the big changes that happened in 2019, specifically COPA, the amount of money you're going to make purely from ad rates is going to be lower, and I don't think that's going to end. Like every single year, the amount of money you make from ad rates consistently gets lower overall, because YouTube is now a serious place for all these businesses to market to, and so it's becoming more of a traditional type of media place, like for like television and radio. If you notice, a few years ago they had a big issue with the advertisers, and so a lot of them pulled out, but now they're back in. And so as this keeps going forward, there's going to be a lot more rules in place, more restrictions and more limitations. And so that means as a creator, you're really going to have to focus on looking at other streams of income and not rely so heavily on ad rates, because they're going to get lower, and I don't think they're going to keep going up. I just continue to think they're going to keep getting lower overall for creators. And so those are my top 3 predictions for YouTube in 2020. Every single year, we're always having to adjust and be creative in what we do here in this platform. And so if you actually had any thoughts on that, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you want to see my previous YouTube predictions for the other years, I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.